When it comes to boosting the value of your home in Sugarland, many homeowners focus on remodeling kitchens, upgrading bathrooms, or enhancing curb appeal. While these upgrades certainly add value, one often overlooked home improvement is the installation of quality windows. Proper window installation not only elevates the aesthetic appeal of your property but also enhances its functionality, energy efficiency, and overall market value. Here's how proper window installation can improve your home's value in Sugarland. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Sugarland experiences a hot and humid climate for much of the year, making energy-efficient windows an essential feature for homeowners looking to lower their utility bills. Properly installed windows can help maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home by minimizing heat transfer. High-quality, energy-efficient windows with features like low-E coatings, double or triple glazing, and insulated frames can prevent heat from entering during the summer and escape during the winter. When windows are installed correctly, they contribute to a home's overall energy efficiency, ensuring that your HVAC system doesn't have to work overtime to keep temperatures regulated. Not only does this reduce monthly energy costs, but it also makes your home more attractive to buyers who are looking for long-term savings on their utility bills. This improvement can significantly increase your home's resale value. Enhanced curb appeal. The first impressions matter, and the exterior of your home plays a pivotal role in how potential buyers perceive it. Proper window installation improves your home's curb appeal by giving it a polished, updated look. Old, cracked, or poorly installed windows can make a house appear neglected, while new, well-installed windows can make a striking difference. Sugarland is known for its beautiful, family-friendly neighborhoods, and the aesthetic quality of your home is crucial in a competitive real estate market. Whether you opt for sleek, modern windows or more traditional styles that complement your home's design, the right installation will ensure your windows enhance your property's overall look and feel. Increased home security. Windows are not just a design feature, they also provide essential protection against intruders. Proper installation ensures that your windows fit securely and function properly, which plays a significant role in maintaining the safety and security of your home. Windows that are installed with precision prevent gaps or misalignment that could compromise your home's security. With the right windows, you can choose additional features such as impact-resistant glass, secure locking systems, or reinforced frames to offer peace of mind. These types of upgrades are particularly valuable in areas like Sugarland, where families place high importance on safety. A home that offers security through well-installed windows is more likely to attract buyers and command a higher selling price. Improved indoor comfort. When windows are installed improperly, they can lead to drafts, moisture buildup, and uncomfortable indoor temperatures. Proper window installation ensures a tight, secure seal that keeps your home comfortable year-round. This means no more worrying about cold air seeping in during the winter or your air conditioner working overtime in the summer to cool your home. In addition to comfort, proper installation can also reduce the chances of moisture damage and mold growth, both of which can be costly to repair and potentially lower a home's value. Buyers are increasingly drawn to homes that offer consistent comfort without constant maintenance or high repair costs. So, a home with well-installed windows that provide superior insulation can be an attractive feature that boosts its value. Boosting market appeal. In Sugar Land's competitive housing market, potential buyers often consider the long-term costs associated with purchasing a home. If a home has properly installed windows, it signals to buyers that the property has been well maintained. New windows with excellent installation may also mean fewer repairs in the near future, which can provide peace of mind to buyers. Homes with modern, energy-efficient windows can stand out in a sea of older properties that may require costly window replacements. When buyers see that windows have been properly installed, they may be more inclined to pay a premium for your home. Conclusion. In Sugar Land, where home buyers prioritize energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall functionality, proper window installation is a smart investment that can enhance your property's value. From reducing energy costs and improving security to enhancing your home's aesthetic and comfort, well-installed windows deliver tangible benefits that appeal to modern buyers. Whether you're looking to increase your home's resale value or simply enjoy a more comfortable living environment, investing in quality window installation is a decision that pays off in both the short and long term.